Alright, Eric, I'm making this video for you so you got some reference points and see what I'm talking about here when I send this proposal over to you. What we're looking at, where we're sitting right now is... As it gets all blurry. Where we're sitting right now is in the shared sewer line between your house and... 16439. So this is the shared section between you and 16439. If we come down further, we're probably going to run into 16444 Southeast 16th on the back side of the street here in a second. Let's see, I'll show you right there. So on the right side of the screen, we're upside down here. Right side of the screen there, that's where 16444 comes into the pipe. So they aren't going to be a part of any of this project. We're going to come back. It's going to be you, 16439, and 16447 in this shared section of the sewer. And then when we get to this point here, where this big root's growing in the side of the pipe, now we're coming into your personal section of the sewer. So this is your personal section, everything coming back from here. What we're going to do is zero out our footage. So there's about 16 feet of pipe before you get back to this turn. So this is where you'll see, if you're looking at that map, there's the Y. So you've got some sewer coming over from the opposite side of the house that ties into this section of sewer right here. And this is almost smack dab right underneath that giant tree out in the yard. So we got 16 feet, we called it there. We'd have to dig this section up. 16 feet there, and then we're coming back up towards this clean out. You'll see there's a broken section of pipe there. It's going to get worse over time. See all those rocks and dirt on the left side of the screen. There's also a root busted through. That can be corrected with a liner. And back into the clean out. So we got 29 feet there, 16 feet downstream, so a total of 45 feet of liner that would get installed, and then a 7-foot deep dig. End the video there.